Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a look using items from my Shop My Stash. I am specifically focusing on this Transition by Dominique Cosmetics palette. It is a palette that boasts that it can be used as bronzer, blush, highlight, shadow. I'm gonna use it for those things today and see if we can take it even a little bit further with all these fantastic colors. If you want to see me put this look together, then just keep watching. I am excited to get into this. I have my base on. The main focus today is using this Transition palette from Dominique Cosmetics. It is part of my April Shop My Stash. This palette boasts that you can do your entire face with it. So that is my goal. I want to do my lips, my brows, my face, my eyes. Let's see what we can get accomplished here. I'm gonna start with my brows. So I'm gonna go into this coffee bean shade right here. If you're not familiar with this palette, it is an all matte palette, and the way that she designed it was with larger pans so that it could be a multitasking palette. I love that idea. I still find that my brushes don't fit in it perfectly, but I have a lot of brushes, as I feel like a lot of us do, and I'm going to see if I can make it work with the brushes that I have. I've used this many times on my eyes and I love it. So do you have to use it as an all over face palette? Of course not, but it's nice that it gives you that option. Brows are looking pretty good. Let me go ahead and put on the other one. All right, sisters, not twins. I'm happy with that. I'm gonna go into the face now. I wanna get a little bit of color on these cheeks. So I grabbed one of my BH brushes in my drawer. This is the number 4. And there's lots of shades of browns and mauves and cool tones, a little pop of orange and mustard. I think I'm gonna go into this toffee shade to use as a contour and bronze. And then I can always add if I feel I need more, but I am going for a more soft, natural look today. And that is great. I like this toffee shade for a contour slash bronzer. Looks good. I'm gonna go in with highlight now because I want to use this palette for highlight as well. I'm gonna go into this frothy shade, which is the lightest shade. And this is a Real Techniques setting brush. I'm just gonna go in. Highlight doesn't have to have shimmer. It'll still bring light to the face. I like it. Now I'm gonna go in with my Alley-Oop brush that I got from Boxycharm. I'm gonna go in with this hazelnut shade. I may have to mix in some of the blushing shade to make it a little more neutral. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna dip into both of these shades. Just tap it on the cheeks. I can be a little heavy-handed with the blush, but I like it. Now for the eyes. I'm gonna go in with my Rephr number 14, one of my favorites. I'm gonna go into caramel, or caramel, however you wanna say it. And I'm going to do a light transition shade here. If you follow me on social media, you may already know that I just started, well actually, it's been a couple weeks. I started the process of getting my professional makeup artist certificate. I, of course, am planning on doing a video when I am done with it, but I have been enjoying it greatly. It's with a company called Online Makeup Academy. I'm going to take that same shade and go under the eyes with it. So to finish my story, I got a little distracted. The doorbell rang. I have a friend coming over to help me with my homework today. So I am filming before she comes so that I can do a bridal look on her. I'm sure I will keep you posted on the process and how it's going. I'm gonna go into Mocha next and just deepen my outer corner. Like I said, I wanna do a soft look, so I'm just doing a couple different shades of the browns, and then maybe I'll put a little cream on the inner corner. See, same brush, isn't that nice? And I'm just focusing it on that outer corner in very soft circular motions, just to sort of blow it out. Just sort of flicking it out towards the brow. A little bit of that Mocha on the bottom lash line, just on the outer corner. Next, I want to put a little bit of this Frothy on my lid, and I'm just going to use my finger just to highlight that inner lid area. I love a good pigmented cream color. Sometimes creams don't want to show up, and this one I've never had an issue with. I'm going to take a little brush, and I'm just going to put a little bit on the brow bone. Maybe drag a little more into that inner corner. Now I'm going to go back into the brush that I used for the brows, and I'm going to go into this smoky shade, which is a black, and I'm going to add a little bit of liner. I'm going to use this to line that top lid. I'm going to do a very small wing. I'm going to go ahead and add mascara on the top and bottom lashes, and then I'll be back and we're going to try out this palette on the lips. For mascara, I have the Makiage that I got in my March Boxycharm, and then of course my Milani tubing on the bottom that I love. I'll be right back. I'm back. Mascara is on. I don't want to love this Makiage, but I really am enjoying it. It's doing a nice job on my lashes, and of course I love the Milani. Back to this palette. I grabbed a small brush. This is from my Temu set. I can link it. I'm going to take that toffee shade and see if I can line the lips with it. I may have to play around with the different shades in the palette, but let's give it a go. I think I want a slightly deeper shade, so I'm going to go into Mocha. And it really feels the same as if you were holding a pencil. So lining was easy. The filling in, it looks a little patchy, but I have a feeling if I throw a gloss on top, it'll look fabulous. So I'm gonna grab my Fenty Hot Chocolate. I had not played with this in a while, and it sounds fabulous to me. Now, could you just throw the gloss on and be done? Of course you could. I just feel a little more confident with my lips lined. I like to overline just a little bit, and then I'm happier. So this is the completed face. I think it turned out fabulous. My contour, blush, and highlight are on the lighter side, which I am okay with. This palette is gorgeous. You can find it on Beautylish. I of course will have it linked in the description box below with all the other products that I used today, but truly there were only a few products that I used, which is why I'm so impressed with this palette. I used a lot of what I had chosen in my April Shop My Stash. I, of course, will link that video for you. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. It helps if you give the video a thumbs up. And of course, make my day. Leave me a comment. I look forward to having a conversation with you in the comments. Have a wonderful day. I will see you in the next one.